Zilliqa is up 11% in the last 24 hours. It's the best performing crypto in the top 100 and our premium members are invested. There has been a chat in the premium Telegram channel and there was a request to do new backtests for moving averages for Zilliqa. This happened on April 17th. And so I did what I usually do on this channel. I find out what kind of best simple and exponential moving average works the best for a particular altcoin. And here we've got them plotted on this Zilliqa price chart. Currently we are bullish because the price is above both of those moving averages. So the idea is that you want to be betting on falling prices whenever the price is below the moving average, and you want to be betting on rising prices whenever the price is above the moving averages. Now you could take all kinds of different durations, but not all durations work equally well. And that's why we do those backtests, those simulations of buying and selling. And this is the result for Zilliqa. So let's step back for a second. We start with an initial capital of $1,000. We bet on rising prices whenever we have a bullish signal, and we bet on falling prices whenever we have a bearish signal. And we also include a little trading fee here, 0.2% for every trade that we make. And so you simply take all the historical data you have. So that's starting in February of 2018. And then you simulate exactly that. Whenever the price is above the moving average, you bet on rising prices and vice versa. And then you try to find out what duration is the best. If you just bought and held Zilliqa over the time, you wouldn't even have made money. So buying and holding would have given you minus 6% annualized. That's shown on this chart here as this black line. And this is why I like this strategy so much. Pretty much any moving average, except the very long ones, they tend to outperform buying and holding. And this is a pattern we can see for pretty much every altcoin, or I'd say for 80 to 90% of altcoins. On the y-axis, we've got the annualized performance. On the x-axis, we've got the moving average in days. And so the best historical performance is over here with a SMA, with a simple moving average with 15 days in duration. The second best is an exponential moving average that's at 14 days. So this is then how this looks like over time. This is a linear scale and your $1,000 would have turned into $500,000 during that time. Now we can't really see what happened here in the early days, right? This is an absolute scale. Let's look at this on a logarithmic scale. And this is what makes the strategy so attractive. A very constant outperformance. You can also look at the delta, right? So we just subtract the buying and holding price here in white from the back-tested trading performance. And this is the delta. Very nice, constant outperformance. So again, here in turquoise, that's the SMA. The price is currently above. So we should rather be long in Zilliqa. We should be betting on rising prices. We should be going with the trend. The trend is your friend. Now you can download this Excel sheet in the premium section. So over here in the statistics library, there are all kinds of Excel sheets for backtests, for correlation analysis, etc. So this is for your own manipulation of the data. There's also lots of different tutorials, right? Tutorials on how to build such a sheet, tutorials on where to get the data, how to backtest the RSI, for example, all kinds of interesting evergreen content. Now the strategy mainly makes money from these strong bull runs, right? Where we make, say, 200% and we take profits fairly quickly. It doesn't make money from these sideways trading ranges. So there are quite a few signals. You have to trade this regularly. And the way this backtest has been performed is, it looked simply just at the price at midnight UTC, at the closing price. So we are not trading within the day. If we just go above and below the moving average within the day, you don't have to monitor this all the time. You simply just have to look at it once daily. And so when you're here in trading view, you can press / on your keyboard, enter moving average, click on that, then you get this new line, you double click on it, then you can adjust the length. In our case, it's 15 days used to work the best, and then you can adjust, of course, also the style if you want to see this a bit more clearly. This is all you need to do. Currently, that moving average is at roughly 30 cents. So since we are shooting up that quickly now, there is a potential loss of 15%. If Zilliqa would only drop, say, 10% or so, we would still be bullish. That's simply the nature of riding those waves. You do have a little bit of a security buffer that you need to take into account. So the website for premium is down below. It's thebitcoinstrategy.com. It's 75 US per month at the moment. More information is in the next video. Looking forward to see you there, and thanks for watching this one. Bye bye.